Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel. We're going to talk about typing and mouse skills in this video. So a lot of the K-12 students may or may not have typing or mouse skills. They may have used an iPad or iPhone or other mobile devices to play games, but to really understand how to use mouse skills for a tablet or PC is very important. Also typing, we have a couple typing tests, so typing games. So let's get started. Let's talk about using the mouse first. So I have a couple tabs up here. So I have typing tabs and mouse tabs. So let's look at the mouse tutorial first. So this is a good resourceful link that I'll put in the description below. So this talks about using the mouse and the mouse tutorial, the different labels. Your mouse may or may not look the same. So you can see the gfclearnfree.org. We have a good resource for mouse tutorials. So it describes what a mouse is. So we have a left click and a right click, the body, and a scroll wheel. So your mouse may look different. Apple mouse don't have necessarily a scroll wheel or visible left or right click, but we can divide it. So left is on the left of the mouse, right is on the right. So we'll scroll down here. So how do we hold the mouse? So place your thumb and index finger on the mouse. So this is a good resource to read and follow for K-12 students. So using the mouse. So this will step you over different definitions and ideas of how to use. So let's start off by clicking. So left click the mouse. So when I click the button, it changes and gives me text. So good practice. Rollover. So good definition of what a rollover effect, it will change its appearance. So when I roll over to orange, roll over the blue, and roll over the black. Double clicking is when you click the mouse twice, so open folders to start programs. Double click, so it opens another folder. Double click, it opens another folder with a file, and then it'll close it all. So good resource for double clicking. Drag and drop is very important on using the mouse. So we're going to drag and drop in this exercise to practice our skills. So we have to build this robot. It's a really good exercise here. So we have to get exactly in the dashed lines here. Okay. So drag and drop practice skills for beginners. And then it changes to an animation and we've completed the robot. So drag and drop things into more drag to polar folders. So drag and drop files that you would see on a desktop to a folder. So trash, music to music, picture to picture, picture to picture, trash to recycle bin, and a document. So this is a good resource. I'll put in the description on how to use the mouse. The other mouse exercise is up here, pbclibrary.org/mousing/mouse exercise. So practice your mouse skills following the mouse exercise. Let's start. So click one below. So this moves your mouse. So click, so you have to move your mouse up and down, left and right to locate a number or a symbol. Now move over to the left to find 4. Back to the top, 5, 6. So we're using our mouse to navigate to left click. Okay. So click on the 9, click on the 10, click on the 11, 12. So click on 13, so it's finally exactly in the ones. Text links can appear. So what is a text link? So we mouse over to find what we have to click on. So this was a hand, so click next. So what's clickable here? Mouse. How many times? Okay. They can have different labels. So this is a good exercise. So buttons can appear with different colors and texts and shapes. So fancy images, click here. Also icons can be links. So what's clickable here? The keys. Find image. Click on each of the buttons to advance the next page. So click, click. So this is a good exercise. And then we find this button, it says continue. Click on each button. So click me, what does that do? Same. So it demonstrates on different icons and mouse over effects on how this mouse exercises works. So now I have to double click. Instead of single click, double click. So good exercise for K-12 students in education. So click the dragger up and down to change the background color. So we change the background color. Okay, click continue. So click and drag. Use a scroll bar on the right side. Click next. So use a scroll bar to click to the bottom. Scroll down. You have to use a mouse scroll wheel. Go all the way to the bottom. Next. So it's scroll to the right and next. Scroll down and then to the right. So we're navigating different directions. So we have a pop-up alert. Oh, we have to click OK or cancel. So practice move. Okay, start at the entrance and move your mouse. Oh. Okay, this one's tricky. Oh, I have to move my mouse through the maze. Not the arrows, just my mouse. Okay, pointer. Okay. So good dexterity practice. And down. Continue. So the check boxes for web formatting. We have to check them all to continue. Select one or more options and click continue. Okay. Not all of them, but a few. So it talks about radio buttons. So we have to select only one at a time. Okay. So it's select type of pizza. Select a drop-down menu. I like that. Select an option. Scroll bar in the menu. So we find 6 in here. So we have to select an option. Okay. So we have to practice typing in a box. And we got our certificate. So good mouse exercises. In the next video, we'll talk about typing. So this is a good practice exercise. I'll leave the link in the description.